know that you can turn off the automatic jump stitch trim? Well, why would you do that? I'm going to tell you one reason why I sometimes do. When lettering is stitched out on the smaller side, it cuts the thread in between each and every letter. So this one was cut, but this one was not. And then I'm going to show you where you can turn it off. Because it cuts after each letter, there's little tails on the back side. You've got the blue thread, the top thread, and the bobbin thread that are snipped. Then it goes and gets the next one and snips the beginning, and then it snips the end, and so forth. And those tails sometimes get kind of all mixed in. They kind of get stitched into the design. And if you're going to see the back, this can look a little messy. For example, one of the fun things I like to do is do lettering like on a recipe towel. So those letters are small. There's lots of starts and stops, and it's kind of fun. You can do Grandma's famous chocolate chip cookies and then put all the ingredients. There's a lot of stitching. So this is going to not look pretty on the back, but this would. How do we go about doing it? First thing you're going to do is go into the diamond menu and go into the set menu. You want to be on the sewing settings screen and come over here to automatic jump stitch trim and uncheck the box. That's all you have to do. When you touch OK, when you start off, you know how you hold the thread and it cuts it? It's not going to do that. It's going to, you'll hold on to it. It'll take a few stitches and it'll stop and let you trim it manually, and then it will go ahead and keep stitching. But between the thread or between the letters, it will need you to come back for just the top and trim these little connecting threads. Looks so much neater in the end. So that's what I do. If you don't care what it looks like on the back, don't do any of this, but it is nice to sometimes be able to make the front look as, or the back look just as pretty as the front.